In today's video, I will share with you the best strategy one have found so far for scalping cryptocurrencies. This strategy makes absolutely insane returns in the shortest amount of time. And to prove that, I will back the still 100 times with an account size set at $100 with 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. But before we start, make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Otherwise you won't fully understand the strategy. Okay, let's jump into it. Now let's get into the trading rules. So here are the conditions for entering a long trade. First, we're only going to be looking to buy if the price action is closed above the zero lag SMA and the line is pointing upwards. Second, the awesome oscillator has to print a green bar above the zero level. Third, we need to have a volume spike. This means that this volume blue line has to break above the 100 level. And the last condition will be to have our trigger candlestick bullish without a lower wick. If one of these conditions is not met, we're simply going to skip the signal. We're going to place our stop loss at the low of the candlestick. The awesome oscillator printed the most recent red bar on. A take profit target will be set at 2 times the risk. Exactly opposite is true for short trades. First, we're only going to be looking to sell if the price action is closed above the zero lag SMA and the line is pointing downwards. Second, the awesome oscillator has to print a red bar below the zero level. Third, just like with the long trades, the volume indicator has to break above the 100 level. This indicates a strong level of volume in the market. And the last condition will be to have a trigger candlestick bearish without an upper wick. And again, if one of these conditions is not met when the awesome oscillator gives a new signal, we're simply going to skip this signal. As top loss will be set at the candlestick the awesome oscillator printed their last green bar on, and a take profit target will be 2 times the risk. And the reason this strategy is so great is because it eliminates a lot of losing trades. As we all know, the losses usually happen when the market is moving sideways. So in order to avoid taking trades at this time, I added this super powerful volume indicator to the chart. We see the line does not exceed the 100 level when the market is consolidating. Also, it's very important to keep an eye on the direction of the zero lag SMA. For example, if you have a signal to go short but the line is pointing upwards, this is a strong indication that the bullish trend is not yet over. So in order to maximize our chances of success, I added this rule as well. And because we have all these rules in place, it's really hard for us to take trades when the market is not trending. We see once the bullish trend is over, the price goes underneath the zero lag SMA so that we can't take any further long trades. This is really useful as it shows us that the bullish momentum is over. Also, if you want to maximize your chances of success even more, you should avoid taking any trades if the price action is forming massive candlesticks like this. These are the times when the volatility ability in the market is extremely high and the price is usually unpredictable. Okay, let me show you a couple more examples. So here we see the price action is closed above the zero lag SMA and the line is pointing upwards. The awesome oscillator printed a green bar above the zero level. We have a massive spike in the volume and a trigger candlestick is bullish without a lower wick as top loss was set at the low of the candlestick. We had the last red baron and we can see that the price action easily triggers our take profit target. Then the market moved into consolidation stage and we didn't get any valid signal to take a trade. You can also try a different money management approach where you're not capping your profits and simply letting your winners ride. Here are also some great examples for short trades. Here we see we've got a new sell signal issued by the awesome oscillator. The price action is below the 0 lakh SMA and the line is pointing downwards. We also have a volume spike and a trigger candlestick meets the requirements. As top loss will be set at the candlestick, the awesome oscillator printed their last green bar on and a take profit target will be 2 times the risk. Okay, traders, I hope you have understood the rules for this strategy. Okay, we're currently looking at the price of BTC USD on a 5-minute time frame. This strategy also works on higher time frames. You can try it on a 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even a daily chart. Before we add our indicators to the chart, let's switch the candlesticks from Japanese to Heikin. Okay, for our strategy, we're going to use 3 indicators. For the first indicator, let's add awesome oscillator. For the second indicator, we will search for 0 lag SMA. This indicator by Verifit. And for the third indicator, we will add a secret volume tool no one knows about. This indicator is called Highest Volume Index by Paratica. Alright, now we need to change the settings on some of these indicators. So let's first access the settings on a 0 lag SMA and change the length from 32 to 50. Also, let's change the indicator time frame. And the second step will be to make this volume indicator more visible. Okay, our strategy is complete. So, yeah, definitely go ahead and backtest this strategy on different markets and different time frames as well. By the way, if you want to see some of the best strategies on the channel for crypto, check out our channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for our next video updates.